In this video, we'll have a look at how to log into Miss Moodle and how to register for your first class. So what you have to do is you have to open up your web browser, if it's Firefox or IE, Safari, or Chrome, whatever one you're using. Just go to msmoodle.com, msmoodle.com, and you're probably there already because you've been watching this video, but once you've done that, you'll notice over on the far right hand side of the screen at the very top right corner there's an option here to say log in. Now you can access these courses without logging in an account. You can just go in and select that you want to take the Excel 2007-2010 class. If you click on that, it'll open up the authentication form, but you can log in as a guest. When you click on log in as a guest, it logs you in and you have access to all of the materials. The only problem is that you won't be able to record your assignments or you take your tests and record it as a regular class. You will need to log in. So to do that, in the upper right hand corner there's an option here to say log in. You click log in, and instead of just clicking on a guest account here, go down to where it says create a new account. And when you click create a new account, it's going to ask you to fill out a relatively short form. So you're going to come up with a username. Let's say your name is Bob Smith. I would recommend you use lowercase letters. Type your first initial and last name. And for password, it's there's some very strict rules here. So you want to do a password that has 8 characters, at least 1 digit, and 1 upper lowercase. So for example, it could be something like capital P A S S word 1 2 3, for example. And you can't see this, so you might want to unmask it. And it has to conform to those rules. That's just the way that this particular system has been configured for security. You're going to have to type in the name, and I'm going to use my email system here, missmoodle1@gmail.com, to show you how this works. And again, I'm going to type that in again. It's always good to type it in from scratch. Don't cut and paste that. So it's Miss Moodle, and I'm going to say it's here in Vancouver in Canada. Alright, so you'll notice at the bottom it just says here to create your new account. You click on that. It'll verify if I typed everything in correctly, and it says here that I must use 1 non-alphanumeric character. So I forgot that rule, so let's go back and I'll just put in, let's say, a $sign right there. Alright, so the password becomes a little complicated, I think, but something we have to do when we create a new account here in this missmoodle.com site. Alright, so create that, and it says here that an email has been sent to your account. Now you do have to go to your email and verify that that was actually done. So I'm going to say continue for this right now, and then I'm going to open up my email for Miss Moodle. So I've already set that up, and I'm opening this up, and you'll see here that I've received an email from the MS Moodle site. It says to confirm your account you must click on this link here. When you click on the link, it sends a return back to the Moodle server, and it establishes and authenticates an account for you. Pretty standard procedures. You'll find that this is the same as a lot of other authentication systems. And what you should have now is in the upper right hand corner is you have an account called Miss Moodle, and you're logged in. And the nice part about this is that you'll have access now to your grades. You won't have access to grades until you press this one here called enroll me in this course. So you have to click enroll me in this course before it actually will grant you those permissions and set up an account. And it says here that you'll be a member of this course. Do you wish to do this? I'm going to say yes. Following and you'll see now I've got a profile and I have access to my grades. Alright, so I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to open up a forum and put down a question or watch the video again. Thanks for listening.